Morning, everyone. I am up. I am ready. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna fix. I just not gonna work this morning. Yeah, I'm up. I'm ready. I am working today. Of course, 8 to 4:30. Then we have barbecue, maybe if we go. Depends on this rain here. It's really coming down. Let's see it. Yep. I'm having PBJ for lunch today. And my fruit of choice, cranberry sauce. I know, it's kind of weird. Cheetos. Kill this. Okay, on this nice cold rainy day. No, I'm not. We'll clock in. Yeah. What do you think of this rainy weather?
Oh, I love it. I did not want to get out of bed this morning.
I know it.
At all.
Hey, John. I know what my title is going to be today. So, what do you think of this rainy weather?
We need it, that's all I can say.
Yeah.
Oh, no. I didn't know what that was. Oh, seriously? Thank you. I'm going to put it in the fridge for now, but thank you. What the heck is in your outfit? Oh, you got that.
Yep. Let's stop for now. I don't know if we're going to get any more. I think we are. Yeah, if you kind of look at my car, that blue one, right there, yeah, you can tell it's been raining hard. So, oh yeah, I'm glad I didn't park over there. Oh yeah. Let me get something out of here. Here we go. Yeah. So, my question is, how many of you went Black Friday shopping? I'm just waiting for Cyber Monday to come around. Yeah, hopefully I can get some good deal on Cyber Monday, so we'll see. About 4:30 I got off. I am in the car getting ready to head home, and then I don't know what I do know what we're doing, our normal Friday deal. So it is 4:37. I make a bed. It would take me 20 minutes to get home. Let's see how long it would take me to drive home. 5 o'clock. So it took me, what, 23 minutes maybe to get home? So that is not too bad. Not too shabby. So, yeah, everyone's probably sleeping because they were out too late Black Friday shopping, so. Okay. Ciao. I mean.
It was a good year.
So 1966, okay.
I wasn't even born yet.
I wasn't either, Chris.
That was only 2 years before I was born.
It was 3 years before I was born.
Well, I knew you would, Shirley. That's why I bought it.
You know, back to Hall Springfield.
Yeah, you can just give the money to Florence.
Okay, I'll give the money to Florence.
Maybe we should go right here. That would look good.
Yeah. I was just thinking of the...
I'll get something to wipe things up because this doesn't look real clean.
Yeah. I wonder how much the drinks are here. I'll just drink.
It's up here.
I got it, I think.
Oh, this is not looking
Right
that good.
now we are playing Rema Cube. Our favorite Friday night game.
Carol likes to vlog.
Oh.
I haven't melded yet, so.
Well, Carol's got to have her turn now.
Okay, Carol. Play and stop vlogging.
Mm.
Okay, now you can meld, Chris.
Okay. Did you see? I could meld. There you go.
I'm hoping.
We really drew things. We had some good
Wow.
drawing this time.
All right.
Wow.
Woo!
You.
Woo!
Carol melded, I melded, and Shirley melded.
Yeah. What's the matter with you, Pat?
Yeah.
Well, we don't want to jump the gun, but it looks like Shirley's thinking of going out.
No way.
I got 9 right there. Pass.
Pass.
Well, if you guys are going to be that way, you're going to force me to meld.
Uh-oh. It's Pat's turn to meld.
Yeah, it's Pat's turn to melt.
Excuse me.
And I hate doing it this way, though.
You do?
Yeah. I always like to keep this guy to last.
Oh.
But since I got to meld,
You got to meld.
Dude,
Pass.
how rude.
yeah, she got a happy face there. Play.
You have a happy face.
Okay.
Do something with that.
Be easy to play that.
Yeah. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with mine.
How about that?
That'll do.
Okay.
Pass.
Oh, Shirley.
Shirley!
You stinker.
Come on, good luck. I need just the right one. Pass. Ugh,
Okay.
just the wrong one.
That didn't sound too good, Pat.
Your turn, Carol.
Okay. Pat, can you pass me the Sorry to do that to you, Shirley.
Doesn't hurt
I couldn't
Shirley.
use it anymore.
What?
Move your hand,
She
Buster.
can't see the
She wants to
card.
see what
Yeah,
you
I
got
can't
there.
see what you got there. He's such a meanie, isn't he?
I tell you, how do you live with this guy?
I don't know. I'm wondering myself.
Come on, get your paws off.
Thank you, Pat. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know what I can do. Here, can you put that in front of the 1 over there?
You could.
And then put this in front of the 13, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Oh,
I gotta draw something.
yeah, and I gotta put something.
Yeah, you got
Oh,
the happy face.
oh,
This is gonna go
oh.
out before I meld.
Pass. Mess us up, Chris.
Turn that off. Pass.
You know, Chris, I don't think I had a soda today. Oh, that Dr. Pepper looks so good. No, it doesn't. I have to keep reminding myself that, right, Pat?
Oh, Dr. Pat, yeah, stay away from Dr. Pat.
That one down there.
Here, Chris, put that down there.
And this 13 and that 13. I'm down to one hopeless case.
I hope so.
Ah.
Pass.
Okay. Oops.
Good thing you caught that, Pat.
Wait a second. I had a plan, and I think somebody just messed me up.
Uh-oh.
Good.
Heck.
Oh, what the heck? Yeah.
Okay, I had all these plans, and somebody did something to mess it up.
It wasn't me. Honest. Promise.
Let's see. Doesn't work, that doesn't work. Plan, what was it? Yeah, you're right. That's better. Where did I just get this from? Oh, right there. Oops. Oh. Okay.
Let's see who's gonna win. I make a bet it's either gonna be Shirley or Pat.
I like your confidence, but right now it's down to 2.
Chris, wake up.
Down to 2 incredibly difficult ones. Yes. Your turn, Carol.
My turn. Okay, good. Well, I
Carol,
gotta.
you wore Chris out.
You know what? I do have a plan, and I hope my plan's not ugly. But here we go. I'm gonna trade this in for the 8,
Ooh.
and this can be a 4. This is a 3,
Thank you for defining that for me.
and here's a 2, and I have one more smiley face left, and I don't know what.
Smiley face.
You can just
can go
put it on the
anyplace.
end of anything.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, Chris, your turn.
Oh, I went out first.
Yeah, you're number 1.
You
Wake
mean?
up, Chris.
I hope it's not one of those 1, 2, 3, 4.
I won, and you know what? I kind of bet it was either you or Shirley. I never thought it would be me.
Yeah, you just had said that. That's true.
Yeah, I never thought it would be me.
Well, you were wrong.
I was wrong. See what it's like outside. See how cold it is. Oh, well. Oh, it's not too. It's chilly. Not what we're used to in Phoenix. But we could be a lot worse. We could be in Flagstaff. Freezing. Huh. Okay, I'm back inside where it's nice and warm and toasty. Yeah. Oh, Alexa, we're home. Alexa, we're home.
Got it. I've stopped guarding your home.
Alexa, thank you.
Sorry, I'm having trouble accessing your greeting skill right now.
I guess I'm going to call it a night. The trip that we had planned for tomorrow to go to Tucson, we rescheduled it back to the 14th just because of the storms we just had coming through. I don't know what the ground would be like down there or anything like that. Old Tucson was closed today for storm damage, so to be cautious, we're going to hold off on the till the 14th to go down there. I guess tomorrow I'll probably go I'll do some Christmas shopping maybe. I don't know. I did get the bills paid. I got my Verizon bill paid and my SRP bill paid. So that's covered. That's all done. I don't know where I'm going to get everyone tomorrow, but we'll find out. I might take Lyft or Uber down to Old Town Scottsdale and look around down there. Best part about it is they have trolleys that take you between Old Town Scottsdale and Fashion Square Mall. So that way if you take Uber and you don't have to worry about where you're parked or any like that stuff. Or fighting a place to park. Yeah, and then I don't know if we're going to do the calendars this year just because they're too expensive. So I have to look at my list and see who I have to get. I'm going to look at Amazon too, so because I have some holding stuff on holding basket. So, let's see. Well, I hope you guys had a wonderful Friday. And I'll see you guys later.